Next topic. Next topic is logarithmic differentiation. And this is useful when you have a function and to the power of that you have another function of x. That means suppose your function is y is equal to f of x whose form is u of x the whole raised to b of x. Okay, when you have a function like this, you will use logarithmic differentiation. Now, what is logarithmic differentiation? We are just taking that step. Whatever we are doing here for this explanation, that is what we will do in the problem also. Okay, so now your question is actually y is equal to u of x the whole raised to v of x. Now, according to the property of log x, if you take log of this, what you will get? V of x into log of u of x, right? So what we are doing, the first step is taking log on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. What will happen? This will become log y. Left hand side will become log y. Right hand side is log of u of x the whole raised to p of x, right? This is what you are getting. Now, what do you mean by log of a raised to x or anything like log of a raised to b? It is b log a, right? So that's what we are using here. So you will get here as b of x into log of u of x. Okay? Here log y. Now after this process, next step will be differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, on both sides you are differentiating with respect to x. So what will happen to this term? Since it is y and not x, you will have derivative of log x is 1 by x. So derivative of log y will be 1 by y. But since it is with respect to x, you have to get your dy by dx also together with this term. Okay. So the derivative of log y will be 1 by y into dy by dx. Equal to what will be the right hand side? Is again a product of 2. This is one term of x. This is another term. So first you have to differentiate one term into the other plus derivative of the other into the first. Okay. So what will be that? Or if you are taking your v of x as the first term, you will get v dash of x into log of u of x. Right? Plus v of x derivative of this. Now, what will be derivative of log? In one step, you can just write like this. Log of u of x. Next step, I'll just write what will you get. V dash of x into log of u of x plus v of x into derivative of log of something will give you 1 by of that into whatever it is, its derivative also will come with that. So you have its derivative is represented as either d by dx of u of x or u dash of x. Okay, so v dash of x into log of u of x, then plus v of x into derivative of that term log of. So that will be v of x by u of x into u dash of x. Clear? This is the procedure. After this, the question will be same. Find the derivative or find dy by dx. So here you are getting y 1 by y into dy by dx. So what will be the next step? That is your final step will be dy by dx is equal to, you will get this y to the other side. That means it will become y into the whole v dash of x into log of u of x plus v of x by u of x into u dash of x. Okay, and you have to replace this y with what is given in the question. What will be y? That you need to replace here. So your last answer will be u of x the whole raised to v of x into v dash of x into log of ux u of x plus v of x by u of x into u dash of. Is it clear? This is the procedure which you are going to use in the problem also. Okay. First you will take the question as y. Then you will take log on both sides. After taking log, you will differentiate both sides. Understood? And then you have to make it as dy by dx equal to and replace y. whatever has been given in the question. Okay, same procedure we are using the properties. And this method is known as differentiating using logarithmic method or logarithmic differentiation. Okay, differentiate using logarithmic differentiation. Understood? They will not prefer that you have to take this logarithmic differentiation into question. But if you have a term like power, one function to the power of that, you have another function of x, then you have to use logarithmic differentiation. Okay, that will be easy. So first one is example 30, differentiate root of x minus 3 to x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. Okay, so what we will do is, root of means, what is the meaning of root of? It is the whole raised to 1 by 2. The question is actually the whole raised to 1 by 2. Now when you write like this, you will get an idea that you have something in power. So that you will just take the question as whatever is given as y equal to square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The whole raised to 1 by 2. And then you have to take log on both sides. So your left hand side, taking log on both sides, you will get log y is equal to, now something raised to will give you log, after taking, either you can write log of that whole term minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square minus 4x plus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. Or you can directly write the property of log, which is 1 by 2 log of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square minus 4x plus 5 whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, this is what you will get. Okay, 1 by 2 into log of this. Now, what is the meaning of log of AB? What is the property of log of AB? It is log A plus log B, right? And what is log of A by B? Log A minus log B. So these properties also we are using here. So what will happen to the question is 1 by 2 into, this is the product of 2. So in between, when you apply log as the property, you will get in between a plus sign. And this is in the denominator. That means this divided by this will give you a negative sign for this. Okay, so in total, you will get log of x minus 3. Or first of all, you can write log of x minus 3 into log of this total product. Minus, you can just see as a by b first. Minus log of 3x square minus 4x plus 5 in the first step. Okay, and then you can just split this into 2, that is log of AB. You can apply here log of AB property, which is log A plus log B minus log of.
Ma'am, it is plus 4, no?
Where? Plus 4?
Ma'am, 3x square plus 4x.
Plus. Okay. This much property is clear. So the question is actually log y is equal to, right? Now what is the next step? Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Okay. So we are just differentiating. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. You will get the left hand side as 1 by y into dy by dx. Log y, derivative of log y will give you 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative of log of something? 1 by, and since it is x minus 3, its derivative will give you 1 only, right? Derivative, actually you are getting as d by dx of x minus 3 also. Minus 1 by x square plus 4 into d by dx of x square plus 4. Sorry, this is plus. Then minus 1 by px square plus 4x plus 5 into derivative of px square plus so you will get 1 by 2 into 1 by x minus 3 and derivative of x minus 3 will give you 1. So you will have first term as x minus 3. Next term is 1 by x square plus 4 into derivative of x square plus 4. Derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x. So here you have 2x by x square plus 4 minus the other term. Its derivative will be what? Derivative will be 3x square's derivative will give you 6x plus 4. So in the numerator you will have 6x plus 4. Denominator will have 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay. Now you need not simplify this taking the LCM and all. The next step will be you have to take this y to the other side and you can just stop. Replace the value of y and then stop. Okay. So the next step is find out what is dy by dx, which is y by 2. This y has been gone there into 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And replace the value of y. What is given in the question as y? Root of, so that should be written here, root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. And 1 by 2 is also there, so that 1 by 2 into whatever you have got. 1 by x minus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x. Understood how to do? First step, taking log on both sides, using the property of log, and then differentiating with respect to x, and then taking dy by dx equal to and replacing the value of from the question.